So, for those of you that don't yet know about the split screen keyboard that's available on the iPad, the new iPad, I'm going to attempt to give you a quick demo. It's rather neat in my opinion that you can split the keyboard on either side of the screen and use both hands kind of comfortably to type your message. So, here goes. I apologize in advance for the bumpy ride. So as you can see, if you're used to the QWERTY layout, this is somewhat natural, and I wasn't sure that it would be. But the opposing thumbs seem to recognize where the keys are, and so your brain somehow knows which finger to move. And I think this is a neat little feature that most people aren't aware of, so I hope this helps. In order to engage this split keyboard, the bottom right key that shows the keyboard is held down, and will actually give you two options, which is to dock or undock the keyboard, and then to also split the keyboard.